That's better. Also, camera is out of sync again. Hi Jax, here first today. Unfortunately, overlay is not quite there yet, because we're gonna be working on it today. There. No, I want. Too cheap for me. Anyway. Hi Nigel, you're second today. Hi Mr. Potatoes 28. I haven't seen you in a while. In quite a while. So we should be live. Twitch is weird today. Twitch didn't send me the code. I tried to log in and it didn't send me the code, so I backed up to using Twitch mobile app to check messages. Wow, human streaming, huh? So yeah. Now. Yeah, we're back to overlays. I guess I should run it, because why not? So there's a workspace with the tune right. So done. Saying anything, huh? We're back. Unlock. Okay, so whatever this is on my screen overly started, but it lagged and it crashed because, well, yeah, Twitcher and Godot has... Wait, no. It's actually a different error. I have a space in the source code somewhere. So yeah, also I had Telegram running, which bypasses be right back and... Oh, wait. It bypasses do not disturb mode completely. And I knew that, but yeah, I forgot. And also I had my numlock enabled, which is really annoying because I use my numpad to switch between workspaces. And when numlock is enabled, I can't switch workspaces. Sadly back to Windows. That is sad. I'm never gonna be back to Windows. Never ever again. Especially after I saw what Windows 11 turned into. Don't listen to them. Windows is bad. Linux is much better. Even PewDiePie uses Linux in his recent-ish video. Jax, what's your problem? Or what's your problem? Okay, are you gonna run now? Partially multitasking. It loads. Here. It loaded. So we have this overlay, which has plushes, which are tiny soft bodies you can control. Hi Kavina, I am alive. I mean, I have a bad laptop as well, and I had a pretty good experience gaming on Linux, except that I don't really game. And yeah, Adobe doesn't exist. Oh no. Oh my god. So somebody clicked on the screen, huh? And it broke. Hold on, pass. Can you please do this again? Jax is now banned from this. Excuse me, what? What has just happened? Message delete, message. I don't have any mods. Sarah, is that you? No, I can't do that. I guess. Simple Adobe Light. Wait. What? How are you supposed to pronounce it? UI is better than whatever this is. What is Adobe? I mean, I have seen that before. And hold on, Jax, I'm gonna unban you as well. Please go. Let me join. So, Kavina, could you please click on the screen again? Because I can't really, as you can see. Also, I'm not sure if you have the permissions enabled, because you need to go into the extension permissions and stuff to get IDs. Where did it just... Yes, so stop. TensorFlow failed to import. Oh my god, that's annoying. Install Linux. Have to go, sadly. See you. So yeah, TensorFlow. Could you switch to Torch? I mean, I guess no. I guess that's like a project boundary. But I really advise not to. And you're clicking like crazy. No messages, huh? What? I see no messages here. Okay, let's check. Because I haven't actually checked. I haven't actually checked heat since I rewrote the whole thing. Heat message. WSL2 right now. So go ahead, install WSL and message. WSL2 right now. So go ahead, install WSL2. I'm not quite sure how NVIDIA goes there. Yeah, so that. Already got a leaderboard on clips, by the way. So I'm not quite sure how TensorFlow will go with CUDA. We see heat here. I see no heat messages though. Data. Print message. I should use print debug, by the way. I do still remember that. So yeah, I'm not quite sure if I can really help with TensorFlow stuff. I've switched to PyTorch. I have used TensorFlow before. Oh, got a message. I was just connecting. With a... Hey? Oh wait, it might be... Might be this. This might not be set. GPU support for last... What? Oh. Oh wait, we've got clicks there. I so clicked there. Also, Crazy got... Excuse me. Crazy got like censored on my screen. What a word. So yeah, get me some clicks. We've got clicks. And we've got broadcaster user ID working fine. Which is not private information, by the way. On Windows specifically. Not quite sure about that. I mean, PyTorch should work just fine. And I kinda like it better. I like TensorFlow's learning stuff though. Because it... So with TensorFlow it's easier to... Hey. Oh wait, never mind. With TensorFlow it's easier to run training loop. But that's about it. Everything else is worse. Also I don't see any... Oh wait, ID. Yeah, we've got ID. Should work just fine. All thing. Oh, yes, a bit too powerful. I should definitely reduce that. That's probably because physics steps have been increased. Yeah, I mean, I have used TensorFlow before I actually started using PyTorch. The API version. Sorry for the flashing lights, by the way. Okay, that's still too powerful. And something like that. Okay, that's better. Let me get rid of that. Hi Devnia! We've got so many chats today. From all the people I haven't seen in a while. Currently checking that heat integration is still there. And it seems to work fine now. Still too powerful. Burn down. Now, maybe I'm gonna do 0.3, but that's about it. So yeah, the main thing is we're now using Twitcher 2.0 instead of Alkaline's library because yeah, I'm sick of trying to hack shared objects into Badoo, and I've decided to try Twitcher. Alkaline's library is still really good, by the way. So yeah, there are even new features, but I don't know. I haven't updated it. So 2.1 beta. Here, I guess I could. It's like it's hard. Here on YouTube Music, it's hard. I mean, yeah, it really shows up high here, but actually, oh, that's why. That's why I can barely hear it. I think it's still too loud. I mean, I'd rather download the Volume Master, which is what I have used before. So let's get Twitcher 2.1 beta and hunt for bugs and hopefully do some issues, maybe even pull requests. And yeah, by the way, DevNinja, if you didn't know, we've got a help command and we've also got a Plushie Dex now. So yeah, but also I should really remove cache because it doesn't exist. So yeah, cache command doesn't do anything right now. But plushes are still controllable. Plushes can still fight just fine. It's just that you haven't caught them. And I do think this should be yours. There's no way of catching them right now, only gifting, which I guess I could fight. You can't attack yourself, huh? Oh my god, everything's broken. You can attack TypeScript if you want. Also, so you can attack TypeScript, and you need the name of the plushie. But yeah. So I could go here. Also, attack strength is limited, but yeah, as you can see, your attack is pretty weak. Oh, it is plushie dexes. I'm gonna copy the team stuff so I can gift it to you. You don't. Oh, actually, does the thing at the end work? I think I have limited number of arguments. Oh, wow. So now, by the way, also there are a lot of aliases, like jump instead of punch, not punch. It doesn't. Well, that's because I have set it to. Have set it to arcs max. Wait, I don't have any arcs max. Oh, that's because one is considered a part of plushie name. That makes sense. I don't think I can do anything about it. So yeah, I need to check. D dev bots here. It's plushie dev ninja. Let me grab the name. Now I can. That I'm also gonna do attack defense 5. Now if I restart that. So I might also do a leaderboard. Or two, actually. So now I should have that. Just as an example. And that's not your name, that's the name of a plushie. So I'm gonna gift. Is it gift or give? Should I add as an alias? So I'm gonna gift. That feels weird, to be honest. But you should now have the plushie in your team. And you should now be able to use T-plushie to summon a plushie from your team, instead of a plushie from wherever. Now, yeah, that's a bit complex, which I don't really like. So, first of all, you can do help, and it's gonna give you the list of commands. You should use or rewrite the code base in PyTorch. Yeah. So yeah, you have. I'm not gonna be able to help you with this. I haven't used Windows in a while, and when I had, I just downloaded DLLs from the web. What do you mean? So you've got it's loud. You've got your commands. Also, why do they have VPN on? Because sanctions. So you've got your commands. Some of them are here. Well, actually, all of them are here, and you can see. So if I do team, I do help team. That's just a quick guide on using help. So you have bank team, which gives you a list of plushes in your team, which I gave you one, so you're gonna have one. And you can do team and then plushie name, which in your case is Dev Ninja. Hi Cuman. Well, thank you for the raid. Wow, shutout works. A lot of stuff works. More stuff than I thought works. Flow Raiders, and it lags so much. Maybe I should lower amount of plushes. Turn the lights off. Oh. Yeah, I should have done that when Devnina came here. Ah, it doesn't work. Yeah, my laptop is not the best. But now you've got those plushes. By the way, QVman actually can control them. I don't know what to do here. Oh. Okay, now. That's better. Okay, so yeah. Ah, sorry. Oh my god, it's gonna break stuff. Sorry, I need to get rid of this one. Okay, now it should be fine in like few seconds. Hot reloading is... Oh well. Hot reloading is fun. Sarcasm. Whatever. Ah, it's gonna... Little chest comp. Why is it so event heavy? Bang Ban doesn't exist. I actually wanted to... Fun fact, before we actually attempt chesscom, I guess, which I haven't played chess in a while. So fun fact, I actually wanted to do jail command. And yeah, this is from back from BitDash software streams, but yeah, it's not implemented, so I guess no. So Nigel actually redeemed chesscom, so I guess let's pay that. Let's do that. Let me actually recall what I wrote there. Unrated, maybe rated, repeat, 10-min standard or not, game of... yes. Not I'm bad at it. Yeah. Migration functions. Huh. Guess you just update functions. I mean, it's easier to hot reload with interpreters than compilers. So yeah. By the way, Godot does have hot code reloading. It's still not perfect. Hot code reloading can't be perfect. So yeah, any preference on chesscom? I'm not even signed in. Hold on. I am back. I am now signed in. I think. Oh, game over. Huh? Is it time? Oh my god, is it a game on time? Of time? I don't even remember starting this. Oh, it loads so slow. I won. Oh wait, I won on time. How long ago was that? That's like a daily game from like 2 or 3 months ago, probably. Anyway, so Nigel, you have any suggestions on what we play? Just click the thing again. Also, for the time being, I should probably do that. Remember. What is this word? yeah, I guess no suggestions on chess. Anyone in chat wanna play against me? Note I'm bad at it. I'm gonna replace your laptop drive with an empty one. I wish I had back from ads. I wish I had drives to replace. By the way, QuizKid39, thank you for the follow. I think I saw you somewhere. You're not playing chess, I know. Anyone in chat wants to play against me? Note I'm bad, and I haven't played in a while. Also, any preferences? 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute? I'm not gonna survive 1 minute game, trust me. I'm really bad at it. I like dailies. Well, I used to like dailies when I played chess. I kinda stopped now. I guess we're gonna do a 10 minutes random against an opponent. It's been a while since I played chess last time, so I might be really bad at it. No, that's that's about it. I do not have that many attacking pieces. Can do a check though. Let's try that. Not thinking much, because when I think much it's bad. And yeah, that was to be expected. I don't know. Please don't judge me. I haven't played chess in a while. If there are any chess players, turn around. Don't look at the screen. Also, I gave up the center, I guess. I can castle now. I don't think it's worth it. Okay, that is bad. Also, it's kind of a fork. time up. Let's go. I have worked on Orco, depending on which time frame you are asking me. Not in the last like a lot of time. And also we're so so bad. That's actually a pin, right? Oh wait, castling. Never mind. I forgot how to play chess. Like, actually, okay, that looks good. That looks better. But I'm on 530 as well. It's not gonna be checkmate. It's gonna be timeout for me. Actually, I have a material advantage. What? How? How can I have a material advantage? So I should probably think before doing stuff. But that is a free pawn right here. Look who's watching. Can I really see who's watching me playing the right? The best of chess on YouTube. 19 notches, by the way. What's the name? Let me think. I don't have time to think. Hold on. Chess. What? Where did you see that? Anyway, I'm probably dead here. I could take this pawn, but it's not gonna be... Actually... I mean, coupling the rooks. Still gonna be bad though. I need to recover. I don't know if I can. What I could do this. That's a bad idea. Well, if I couple the rooks, it's gonna be bad. Yes, let's just, I don't know, move pieces out. That's probably a bad move. I don't like this. I'm almost sure they're gonna fork me at some point. Just out of nowhere. Also, I should act quick, because I got 4 minutes. No more thinking. Where are you getting those names from? Names, players. You did that, I do this. You moved. Oh no. Like this. You know them. Okay, sure. I think that's worth it. It's probably not. I'm gonna give oh, that was to be expected. I should have expected it. That's bad. That's bad. And I don't have time to think. Because I just pinned my bishop. Wait, I have been mixing bishop and rook all this time. So if I go here, I take it. I don't have time to think. I'm just gonna move quickly. Yeah, I do like to time out. And oh no. It's bad. I'm getting even worse. Constantly. Also, I'm free to move my knight. But don't think I can get it anywhere useful. to help capturing the pawn. For things away. Don't have any escape routes. I need to do something quick. I don't know. I'm just gonna be wasting moves from now on. Something like that. Oh, well, that's interesting. Oh, and I gave my bishop away. Actually, that looks pretty good. Okay, not that bad. But I've got a little more than 1 minute. So fortunate I've got the rook. Ah, it's so good. It's so nice. And also I've got what? Why? Why? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't care. I just need to play quickly. And checkmate them. That's it. I'm not quite sure how to do it best. Also, I need to watch out for forks. I really need to watch out for forks. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I feel like I just left the fork somewhere. Okay, I don't have time. I don't know. I'm kind of bad at doing checkmates. I don't have much. 1 minute. So stressful. I've got a huge material advantage, but wait. It's not gonna work. Sure. Maybe I should have moved there. Oh no. Watch out for forks. So much time. Oh, actually, so little time. I think the knight is free now. Well, it is, but I'm just gonna lose on time. That's what's gonna happen. Now go somewhere. Go to the left side, please. No. Why did you choose to do that? I have 24 seconds. Can I check me then? I don't think I can. Okay, that looks good. Ish. Please move somewhere. I do care about the knight. I am losing. I have 9 seconds. They're gonna move to the. Okay, it's over. It's probably over. It's probably over. What have we done? 2 seconds. Okay, it's over. It's over. Yeah, I won on. I lost on time. Uh, I I don't know how to do checkmates. Uh, okay, I'm gonna say it was a good sport. Getting 2 rooks was a clutch. But then I lost it due to time. I do this so often. That's embarrassing. Anyway, that was a chess break. Now, let's get back to coding, I guess. I feel like I had something else to do before that. Devnini, you're still here. You can do team. Yours fell from 24 to 5, but it's fine, it's after the raid. Actually to 6. So yeah. That means those 6 viewers are good. And they're gonna enjoy any content I stream. Anyway. So you've got bank team, and if you have anything there, you can do T plushie instead of regular plushie. To summon that plushie. Team plushies normally have more damage and more defense, and also team plushies, yeah, they're gonna have a lot of more stuff coming. So yeah, Nigel is here, the main person who calls plushies. I can even say that. I might want to do a leaderboard on screen for plushie dexes and for battles. I mean, for battles I need people to battle, and that's not gonna happen. That's just not gonna happen. So, yeah. Meet click now. What can I do here? Get back to regional plan. Let me upgrade Twitcher. Go to chat 3. Lazy git. Now it's commit update. My commit messages, yay. Now I'm gonna remove add-ons. Twitcher. Git should catch that, yeah. Now I'm gonna open a different file explorer. Yeah, I have started using LazyGit, and I think it was you who suggested that, right? So let's get Twitcher 2.1. Yeah, you can see the twin machine here. Yeah, I bought it. Twitcher 2.1 extract to mount dev bots chat3 add-ons. Now I'm also gonna rename it. Any plushes to make? Yeah, I have posted on Discord. You might wanna do Habitica. I mean, if you can, I'm gonna be happy if you do that. Refresh. How do you refresh this thing? Oh, F5. What did? Okay, that's probably not what I wanted to do. Reload. Have a job. Reopen. It's fine. Project. It is reload. Why is it not in command pad? It would make so much sense. And also, yeah, I tried to. Oh, I started to do. Started to use command palettes sometimes, rarely, but I mean it's useful. I still like sometimes just press F1 because VS Code skills, VS Code muscle memory. And the failure completed flash there. I mean, you could for sure join Habitica, but that's not. Plot failed into fix dependencies. Fix broken. Can close. Okay, so updating was not a good idea. Also, I haven't renamed it. Oh my god. Oh no. Where it's not even here. Okay, let me close Godot. Go to Chattery. So I'm gonna reset this. How do you reset it? Discard. All changes here. Wait, yeah, it's fine. Now I'm gonna mv add-ons Twitcher 2.1 into add-ons Twitcher, so that Twitcher has the same name. And Godot 4.4. I had to use mixed unstable channel for that. And yeah, Nigel, rather than Habitica, I would probably do Plushie updates on Trello. But no, Discord is better. Discord is good enough for that. We even got a checkmark emoji just for that. I actually made it to mark plushes as complete back when Ian was there. Unable to enable add-on plugin config parsing of config failed? What? Okay, so for some reason I can't see add-ons output. Okay, let's see the errors. 170 errors. Could not find. Yeah, I know that. File not found. Okay, it broke. Yeah, it didn't change anything. Non-switcher. Oh, it has oh my god, that's why. So I'm gonna move this here. rm-ref add-ons. I completely forgot that Godot works like that. Add-ons. Now that should work. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. No, it should update just fine. Thanks to GitHub and just Git. Well, actually, I haven't used GitHub there. It is on GitHub, but it's on local. So thanks to Git, I could unroll the broken stuff. I mean, if it wasn't for Git, I would have just created a copy of the directory. Okay, let's see if it loads. Let's see if it works. Updated to Twitcher 2.1 without any modifications I did. And all I did were just stuff to fix shutouts, for example, and similar. I know. I think Kanye actually fixed shutouts. I'm not sure though. I think I can check it. Non-existent function request. Client request. Oh wait, did we get stuff messed up? Overpowering somebody is now banned from this channel. Yes, they are. Yeah, it's not the way. Can I do this here? Okay. Okay, no, I can't. I need the Twitch Steam. And yeah, I have extracted Twitch into the Steam. Don't ask me why. That just happened. Now, do we have anything messed up here? No, it should be fine. Seems to be okay. Services. Wait, where is the service? Oh wait, what is the service? So commands, broadcast. Oh, broadcaster has auth resources invalid. Should be fine. Is it broadcaster auth? Need to check. Need to be careful. Local share do app user data chattery. Bot auth. Wait, no, it is auth and bot auth. Ah, tokens just appeared out of nowhere. Also, I have clicked this thing again. Twitch mobile app is so bad. I mean, sorry, but yeah, it's kind of true. Also, it's getting colder. Huh? Yeah, that's using both auth. So this thing, oh, Twitch auth has something messed up. What's messed up? Auth setting is invalid. Client ID is missing. Client secret is missing. Oh no. Is auth setting messed up here as well? No, it's not. And they don't really want to show that on stream. You know what I can do? I can copy that into there. First of all, remove that. So I'm gonna remove Twitch auth. I'm gonna copy this auth here, and I'm gonna change the token to be the new one. Wait, it is a broadcaster token here, and it is what? Oh, wait, is it? Oh, what happened? Did it copy the? Oh no. Yes. Hold on. Please. I hope not to show client secrets. Well, I've got no idea if I have correctly copied stuff. Also, please continue. Music just stopped all of a sudden. Yeah, it's playing now. Well, it should be playing now. Maybe it's just too quiet. Yeah, it is playing. Happy done. Thank you. Yeah, that's really nice. So, I don't think it actually worked, to be honest. Because The Witcher doesn't even launch. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Twitch, fix it. Twitch app is just garbage. Frames. No, I'm dropping frames. I am dropping all the frames. They can't even impact it. Can't even change anything about it. Hold on. Yes, I don't think I can change anything about it. Should theoretically work better now. After a quick reconnect with another network. I feel like my router is just getting overloaded because of my I clicked it again. You're kidding me. I feel like my router is getting overloaded and I reconnect to a different network from the same router and it starts working again. Also, camera is out of sync, apparently. I don't think I can do anything about it. Constantly getting out of sync. Maybe I should change the frame rate to be lower, or actually resolution to be lower. I don't know. So yeah, this thing doesn't work. Nil. Client request. Client is nil. Where's the client? Client is buffed HTTP client. Ready. So ready doesn't get called. What? It's wrong. It's just all wrong. It's Twitch oh, it's Twitch command help. Twitch API. So help. Well, it's ready. Because Twitch API is not ready yet. And Twitch API sends a request. But ready of Twitch API wasn't called yet. Which means if I move this down in the tree, I don't know if this actually changes the call order. I hope it does. Also, viewers dropped down to 3, but sure. Also, there are ads, but I can't see them. Twitch, like this app is just garbage. I can actually run them, and they're not running right now. I can tell, but I can't see them because I know they were ran before. But yeah, I can see them. Why? Connections. Twitch. I mean, I guess I could connect through streamers. Response data. On a base object file nil. Response is nil now. Might be just Twitch thingy. Wait, actually Godot thingy. And just type some stuff. Maybe it's gonna let me in this time. Also, yeah, we've got logs. We've got way too many logs because disabled the ability to login with UMA. Oh, yeah, actually makes sense. Let me try that. Now, please just work. I feel like it's not gonna work now. It's wrong. And I know I can't see chat right now. Well, it doesn't. Well, it doesn't. Language to work smaller compiler for common Lisp. That is interesting. Back to Twitch app, I guess. Back to stream manager. Like that. Okay, now I can actually read chat. At least partial test. What? You're not gonna see chat here, cause I mean, yeah, here it is.
Okay, let's go.
Hi Animon 119. You're a legend. Like, actually, may I tell the story? I'm not actually sure what stream this was. Either Fifth Funks, or either Force Unleashed or John Crow. I think it was John Crow's stream. I was like doing some Olama stuff. I was trying to run an AI language model, and I just wanted to share something. Yeah, John Crow. I wanted to share the how Gwen decided to just speculate about if doing one step is the right way or not for like 5 paragraphs. So I wanted to share that. I opened John Crow's stream and I see Animon 119 there. I mean, this name this name got me reminded. Oh. Is it fine if I open your profile stream? Linux back on your laptop. Let's go. Linux is best. So yeah, just out of curiosity, I clicked on the name. I clicked on the name and I see this avatar, and I get even more suspicious, because yeah, this is the guy who made a programming language tutorial back like, what was it, 9-10 years ago? Something similar. And I watched it like 5 years ago. And that's how I started making compilers. 2015, yeah, 10 years ago. That was even in Russian. Next kind of logo. Actually, looks even more like Arctics. But yeah. So yeah, this is the guy who basically started me on compiler development, inspired me. He's the only reason I top for recursive descent parsers now. Imp. I guess. So, yeah. I guess I should say thank you. I was so amazed by the fact that I see you there. That I saw you in John Crow's stream. Also, like, in John Crow's stream, I often see people I do not expect. But this is just insane. Bring DVD for Nick says not one boot from a USB port, huh? For me, Nick says booted even from what what's it called? Even from Ventoy, which many operating systems don't boot from Ventoy. For example, T2SDE, and yes, I tried installing that. I know, burning a DVD. First of all, you have a DVD, a burnable DVD. Second of all, you have a DVD burner. That's even more concerning in 2025. I mean, the fact that you can boot from a DVD is fine, but the fact that you can burn DVDs. What laptop are you running? Or I think you mentioned laptop before. 7-year-old laptop. Mine is like, I mean, mine is actually used. I bought it used. Well, it's not that really I bought it. My dad bought it for me. But we bought it used like 4 or 5 years ago. And I feel like it's I feel like it's old. I feel like it's really old. I just wanna know the date. Windows 10, 11, huh? I mean, Windows 10 actually runs fine. Dell Inspiron 3520. I had one Dell laptop, which unfortunately, right now it's probably I've probably thrown it away, but it was disassembled completely. Oh, VivoBook X507UF or X407UF. Yeah, similar. So yeah, 509 series DJ, they're pretty similar. All of 509 series. I know that because I had to buy a keyboard for my laptop, and not just one, but 3 keyboards or 2 actually. So I had an original keyboard. Then, well, what happened is I broke a key. I broke 2 keys. Not just broke them, I tore them out. And I had just holes there which I could reach to the membrane and just press on it. And if I press hard enough, it works. 507 UF. Okay, good. So if I press hard enough on it works sometimes. So yeah, I had to replace it because it was a pain. We replaced it by a keyboard of a different color. But what I had done then, what I had done after that, is on stream, I've knocked my cup of water. Uh, Actually, it was a stream together. And all I could say before the stream rapidly ended is, "Oh no, I." I remember that. So yeah, I flooded my laptop. It could turn on, but the keyboard was, well, damaged somehow. So we replaced it was another one. And I had 2 keyboards lying in my, what is it called? So lying somewhere. Well, no, there. They're now in the trash can. Probably. So yeah, I had just 2 keyboards of this laptop lying somewhere. We could take them out and like say, okay, so I damaged this one this way, this one this way. Since then I never opened my laptop anymore because, well, I also broke Wi-Fi chip or something. I mean, not a chip, I broke a wire off. Jack's messages at the start of the stream got deleted because he was banned. I don't know who did this, probably Seribot. Or actually Twitch Auto. I mean, Twitch Auto Mode doesn't ban, right? This might actually be a new feature. So yeah, he got banned. I obviously unbanned him, but the messages stayed deleted. That's why. So has i5 3317U and like generations of CPUs. I just don't know. 6 gigabytes of DDR3 at 16,000 megahertz. Wait, 1600 megahertz. DVD is so slow, I guess. I can see on moderator view. Well, I don't have moderator view. I would have probably given a mod view to somebody. I know how to open moderator view. Thank you. So yeah, but I don't have any mods except for Seri because, well, there's no reason to. I don't have nearly a large enough auditory to, well, have mods. Banned by Seribot Jax. Banned by Seribot, yeah. Spam detected, spam detected. How? How had Jax been banned for spam? Okay. Sure. So you can see my moderators here, by the way. Siri, Stream Elements and Chattery, obviously. My trusty bot. Anyway, so Twitch seems to actually work. Let's test it. Let's test all the stuff. This works. Okay. Well, the thing is, I don't think I need a moderator. If I needed, I would have made one. I know. You've been on like all of the streams. Well, almost all of the streams. So yeah. But I don't think I'm gonna get a mod anytime soon. Unless like it will become really important. Like the only reason I'd need a mod right now is, first of all, shutting out people when they raid if my overlay is down. So yeah, I need a moderator if my to shut out a person who raids me if my overlay is down, which is like rare. And to unban jacks specifically, or just people who get banned. Oh, third, let's go. Got the whole leaderboard. I feel like it's so bad here. I feel like I'm down to. I mean, we're not actually that far from Cubeman. Kavina is here. Wait. What? Hold on. I mean, I knew Kavina got first, second, and third redeems in traditional manner now. Because when I joined the stream like 3 times before, it was just only first and second, and those were manual redeems. I didn't know Kavina got the bash stack thing. I know I asked him a few times. But yeah, it's not rare at all. I mean, yeah. Overlay down often, but I don't get raided that often, so I guess no. Well, I'm gonna think about it. Like, Seri is doing all the job of moderating, and I know it's fine. So I don't know if I really need a human mod. I do trust you, by the way. And you're probably gonna be the first candidate if I ever need one. So yeah, click system. Sending messages works. Let's check. Redeems work. Taking the jobs. Yeah, I guess. Chatri also took your job actually. So yeah, this stuff works. Redeems work. I don't think I can test subs. I don't have money, sorry. No. Anything else you want? Oh, shut out. Can I? Can I? I don't think I can raid from Chatter's channel right now. Coders chat. Oh wait. I need to go here for that. You can hear music. You can hear music. Dashboard, Twitch, TV. Yeah, it's gonna open the thing. Trying to build NAS or 2 of them. Oh, think to build NAS or 2 of them. I've never used NAS myself. By the way, right now, I'm gonna see a non-affiliate streamer dashboard. Oh my god, not many buttons, so small. 2 followers. Who follows Chattery? Huh? Maybe one day I'm just gonna start a secret stream on Chatter's channel, and nobody except me and another guy who's following Chattery, which I know who this is because I checked. Gonna know. I'm gonna know. Okay, I don't think I can read though. I need to be live for that, right? No, I don't. Oh wait, yeah. Two spare CPUs, so might as well make 2 NASes. I mean, you need motherboards and RAM, and the most important is storage as well. So yeah, I actually knew that you can raid offline, and I have used that before, I just forgot. But the fact that it registered me as one viewer, Oh, that's interesting. Nigel, I see everything. For sure. Get size. You'll get money somehow. Well, I'm not getting money any soon. I have a Raspberry Pi, but I'm using it for mainly for my 3D printer. I had a stream where I set up. Yeah, just HD. So I had a stream when I set up CasaOS, but yeah, I'm not using that anymore. I'm using my Pi only for printing, and well, yeah, that's it. Cause why else? RetroArch, RetroPie would be really fun. Overly down again. Obviously, it's down because it crashed. I know. So yeah, Pi 5. I have Pi 3B without a plus. You use it as a second computer. I know Pi 5 is a really good one. It's like Pi. I don't actually know about Pi too much, but I know Pi 3, 3B, 3B plus, and then Pi 4 is a massive jump, and Pi 5 is also a really good jump, a really big jump, because they did some stuff. I think it got more expensive, but I think it got really much more powerful, like multiple times. But yeah, I don't have money to buy Pi 5. I am gonna be using Pi 5 though, soon, maybe. I am using Pi 4 right now for competitions, which is not my Pi, but fine. And I might try Pi 5 as well, so I can judge the performance. And Pi 4 is not actually that good. Problem is it doesn't have CUDAs or inferencing on one frame of a neural network that recognizes a real power button, huh? So yeah, a neural network that recognizes signs, inference on one frame, PC Express lines, or PCI. Wow. So yeah, one frame takes 30, well, maybe not 30, like 5 to 10 seconds probably. Maybe I'm over saying too big of the numbers, stretching it out a bit, but yeah. Anyway, so we need to fix that. I've got an error with get size because raid animation doesn't exist. What? How did that happen? That's an error on my side, not even Twitcher, which I updated. And somehow it worked just fine on Cubeman's stream. Let's test it once again. Get a Pi 0 so you can make your own Bluetooth FM adapter. Pi 0 is actually really nice. Actually, there is a Pi 0 2W or something, I think. Let me check. Or Pi 0 2W. Yeah, that's a new Pi 0, which I guess I would recommend. It's like Pi 5 but 0. So yeah, it's probably more expensive, but still that's really cool. That would be really useful. But again, I'm not really a fan of using computers with Linux running on them for no reason. So I like sticking to Arduino's ESP32 and similar. CPU. I think it does. Why does overlay crash so often? The main source from is wrong code to each library. Well, right now it crashed because of my own code. I was testing raids because, well, raids and shutouts in Twitcher are broken, and I'll need to fix it. So for some reason, my code broke though. And yeah, Twitcher library does have some issues. Also, I wanted to disable. Let me sort. First of all, disable event sub. Events. Wait, I can't. Oh, raid happened, and I can actually see the stuff. Raid. Huh. Yeah, my code broke. We'll fix it though. So event sub. First of all, let me quickly fix that. Event sub code. Log. So here, where does the log get initialized? Here. Kani, why do I have to suffer? Having logs always enabled for no reason. I mean, sure. So yeah. Then, because until Pi 4 you could connect and use as antenna for FM radio without any problems with Pi 5. Can't anymore. What? Pi 0 is cheaper? Yes, that's true. And actually, yeah, I don't know those details. I did not have any experience with Pi 5 or Pi 0 2W. I have programmed on Pi 0 though, as well. So yeah, and since from Pi 0 to Pi 4, I was fine with using Python library and PyGPIOD, which I'm using more because software PWM is annoying. Especially when you control a servo motor using it. It is annoying. Anyway, let's actually get this fixed. Or debugged. And I feel like Twitcher 2.0 doesn't have as many bugs. But is Kanye actually live? Huh? TV Kanye. Yeah, I think it's underscore. Probably no. I know he's live about this time, but some days. Yeah, obviously not. Cool banner, by the way. So yeah, maybe let's go leave. It turns Pi into FM radios. That is interesting. I saw a lot of projects using Pi lately, like a Wayback Machine router, and I think a TV thingy. But yeah, FM radio. I'd probably rather use ESP32 for this. Anyway, let's do a new issue. Mine. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. That's not my repository. So event sub has logging enabled forcefully. Yeah. Sub Twitch event sub node has log enabled forcefully. Also, I think event sub log doesn't even appear here. Twitch. ESP33. Okay, sorry. PS2 controller into USB controller. Well, you can buy another. ESP32 is probably like much cheaper than a Pi. Yeah, 32. Twitcher logs here. No, event sub config. Oh, here it is. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna create an issue. So yeah, ESP32s are cheap, I think. Not cheap, for me at least. Yeah, it can run a whole OS, but do you really need that? Start type times, first of all. Second of all, you're running an OS, why? Why? It's just... It feels to me the same as using like a JavaScript interpreter written in JavaScript running on Node.js to, I don't know, render some simple UI using whatever heaviest React library you can imagine. And I'm not like saying that reactive JavaScript libraries are that bad. Oh, and also all of that running inside of an Electron application. But yeah, I don't enjoy them, as you can probably tell. And running an OS is overkill. Saying the person who forcefully migrated from an OpenMV camera to a Raspberry Pi to run computer vision on road lens. But I mean, yeah, with a Pi it's actually easier. Because you can't really get anything with the same computational power um, without an OS, I think. Pirate radio as well. I mean, yeah, you can make a Pi Zero into a media server. Whatever you want. You can you can set it up at home. Have it broadcast whatever you want. Have it connect to your phone, or well, connect via your phone to it, and well, call it and transmit voice, whatever. You can go wherever you want and do that as well. You got me. Forgot what I mean. So yeah, ready alerts directory and phone. Do we have alert stuff? Let me check. I don't see any logs, so it should be fine. Alert. Print debug. Loaded percentage as alert. Oops. You can see Helix. Wanna do with Pi Zero? Sure. I mean, Pi Zero, fine. Still, I kind of wish there was an operating system that could run on a Pi Zero without actually an operating system. So like an Arduino-like interface. More than that, probably. You could do probably like an insane bootloader on there with a graphical UI. Imagine a bootloader for an Arduino with graphical UI. But yeah, this would be such a cool project. So you want PyPico? No. PyPico is different. I have used PyPico. I actually have PyPico W inside of my wristwatch, which I made like 8 months ago, and I'm still wearing this by the day. It's pretty cool. It's a conversation starter, let's just say. People who see it just immediately start conversation with me. So that's pretty cool. RAID. Loaded RAID, huh? So you have... Oh, I know why. I have Samsung Watch 6. Well, I have my own custom watch, which is fully 3D printed on the outside, has custom PCB inside, and obviously has custom firmware. And this obviously attracts the attention of people. So yeah, doesn't quite work. So I think I know why. And the reason is awful. I might not have a GIF importer. We do GIF 4.1, 4.4.1. Well, I have 4.4 point something. I mean, I could use that, but maybe Twitcher actually does have a good importer. Do I have it even enabled in plugins? I do. AI Gen Squash faster? What? Today learning Godot with Godot Rust? What? How have I missed that? I mean, maybe I was sleeping, maybe I was just away, and maybe I'm not following them anymore. I mean, they're actually streaming like every day, or similar. I think last time I checked, but it's all like at my night time. Well, yeah, that's an interesting experience. John Carroll actually has tried Godot Rust, but I think he didn't really enjoy it, judging by the fact that he switched immediately. And I tried that. I didn't enjoy it either. Well, actually, I did enjoy it for writing Godot extensions. I didn't enjoy it for writing like for what it's not supposed to be. That's right. Like where it's supposed to be used to write 6 hours ago. Well, yeah, I was at school 6 hours ago, but still, kind of concerning. So yeah, what it's supposed to do, it does perfectly. But well, what it's not supposed to do, obviously doesn't. And actually, yeah, I have removed Godot GIF a while ago. By removed it, I mean I think it's still here, yeah, but it's not really working anymore. You know what? Maybe I should reinstall it like that. Even though for now installing Linux. Why? Stand. Oops. Here. So I include add-ons Godot GIF. Yeah, that's it. Success. Yay. Come on. Where's the window? I find it really often Godot does this kind of stuff, especially since I enabled NVIDIA. And by the way, overlay didn't crash today as much as last stream, because I think I figured out the NVIDIA completely, and I also installed AMD drivers for my integrated graphics card. So yeah, now I'd like to import my alerts ray.gif. I mean, it is imported actually. Okay. Keeps failing boot tests. Is it 64-bit laptop? Because I also had a lot of trouble installing Linux on 32-bit stuff recently-ish. Let's do a test raid again. Raid, init cooler one. Let's go. It is 64-bit, huh? Well then I don't know. Close chat is raiding and get size on a nil value. Get frame texture. Oh wait, no what? It might not be give then. Stop. Can you stop it, please? It is not give. Oh, that's why. Okay, so the default, but I need to fix default. Oh no, I replaced a bit too much stuff. You know what? I should have done this instead. Install Nix. You can just Nix on Ubuntu as well. You can, but this is Nix on Ubuntu. You can, but I would advise against that strongly. Strongly against that. Also, this thing doesn't want to show up again. Well, actually, I don't think I'm gonna advise, but I've tried it. I've tried using Nix on. Well, I've tried using Nix on Arch. I don't have Godot GIF installed yet. They've tried using Nix on Arch, and it was not a pleasant experience. I mean, it was kind of fine, but I didn't like it. So yeah. NixOS is a bit of a pain to set up, but once you get the hang of it, it is pretty nice. And from all of those rates, also, I think it's not only that my code is failing, but also Twitcher didn't do a single shutout. Should put them in a game about garbage collectors. Maybe, you know, garbage collector. Which versions are we on? Maybe third one. I have definitely not copied them from some game. Oh, let's go, it worked, and shoutout probably didn't work, because, well, Twitch Okay, I definitely need to reduce it. Cause it fail. I mean, it is a bit bad. Kavino's game. What? Kavino was talking about Jingle Jam or something like that. Sorry if I have messed up the name. Where's on read? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be, only because it's still school time. And I'm probably even cash price. I mean, first of all, I'm not gonna win definitely. Second of all, even if I do, cash is not gonna get to me. But that doesn't matter. I'm game jamming for fun. Donations and subsets. Well, that's nice. Anyway, I'm doing game jams for fun, but next week. So next week is my last week at schools this season, and the week after that I've got military. Yes, I'm not gonna even talk about that. Oh yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I've got military stuff, which I'm not gonna talk about that. And I've got end of competition season on the week after that. But so that's about 2 weeks into summer. But after that, game jam season is open. I'm gonna be participating and stuff. I have already skipped game jam. I've talked about that on Discord. Yeah. Also, just as a plug, I have I did not think that water is so important on streams. It is useful, trust me. Especially currently with current climate, if I can say that. Because our weather is just messed up. It's jumping like 15 degrees in 8 hours. Hydrate. I'm gonna end this cup soon. Can't school till next month. I mean, basically same. So where do we have a raid? Range 10, let's do 5. Sorry, raiders, raid guys. But yeah. And by the way, I am gonna participate in one on Coder Code Jam 2025. I'm sure this is gonna happen. It is during the school time, by the way, but it's so important that I don't care. For me, it ends on June 1st. The school ends on June 1st. Then June 2nd is a Monday, so June 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, 5 days. Will be military thingy. It's like 6 hours a day, so I might actually. Or it depends when you quit or get fired. Hopefully, neither of those will happen. I mean, you quitting is fine, I guess. Getting fired and all that, fine. So yeah, 5 days of military stuff, and on June 12th, I'm not quite sure about the exact dates, but one of the days is gonna be June 12th, and it's about 3 days. I have to practice saxophone. Well, good luck. I'm practicing piano. So you can get better job. So yeah, June 12th, I'm gonna be at final competitions of the season, and it's about 3 days. I don't remember when it starts, but plus or minus 3 days. And yeah, I'm also gonna be visiting, hopefully, I'm gonna be visiting an orchestra show. I'm not sure how to say that properly in English, because I've never spoken about this in English, which is interesting. But there's this Imperial Orchestra, which is Russia and Belarus mainly. So they're driving around. In Linux everything is perfect. Right, exactly. So yeah, Imperial... I pronounce orchestra properly. I know... Well, I hope. Shut out. Well, how was I supposed to pronounce shut out? Shout out? Shoot out? I don't know. I mean that I don't know how to word stuff. Google. Google, you pronounce Google as Google, right? Possibly it's binary broken, I guess. Well, I'm not Googling. Pronounce... How do you type spell pronunciation? So yeah, I said orchestra. I know, I'm not sure how to... Well, actually, I'm saying orchestra because when I was last time at Imperial Orchestra show, they pronounced it in English. Because they pronounced the name of the orchestra as Imperial Orchestra. Yeah, I saw the new FaceDev video. So yeah, they pronounced the name of the orchestra, which is Imperial Orchestra, in English. Overly broken? It's not. It's just not on the screen. Okay, fine, you know what? I'm sure this is actually not gonna work, but worth trying. Okay. Okay. Guess I'm doing it here. I can't even do that. I was like, raid. Is wrong. Here you go. And yeah, Jax, I saw you do this. You sent this a few times. I haven't seen it. Another clip.
Fuck!
This is not gonna help.
Fuck Microsoft!
Okay, that's...
Fuck!
Actually, kinda agree with it. That's not really stream safe, but sure. Also, your VIP pages. Sadly, I'm sure you're still VIP. Oh, you're not a VIP anymore. Can't you have both? Nigel, type a message. I wonder what happens. Yeah, you can't. Oh. Oh, I guess. It's fine. Соединение, that was loud. But I kinda agree with him. I was cursing Microsoft when I had to install Windows again. Mutually exclusive, I guess. Well, I'm Jax. See, I have been cursing Microsoft when I had to bring Windows back because I don't remember why. I think I wanted to open Minecraft Bedrock Edition for one second to get a cape, a common cape, and yeah, that's it. I had to spend multiple days. He woke you up. Well, Devin, you can try out your team plush against Nigel, by the way. Nigel also has a team plush. But they're gonna cancel each other because high defense and high attack. So yeah, I had to take multiple days to install Windows and then fix my Linux install because it broke because of Windows. So yeah, I've been cursing Microsoft there. Anyway, let's fix the shutout. Twitch. What? Now it doesn't show twitch.gd. Huh? You only remember hearing voices and being instantly mad. Well, that's just lurking on my streams, sorry. Now, let me get back to here and fix the shutout thingy. Watch some TypeScript videos, you'll feel better. Head to bed. Still awake since yesterday. Wow. Well, I'll be heading to bed soon-ish. I have actually started the stream relatively early. You need like Wait, what? Context behind the clip on my YouTube channel. Yeah, Vanilla likes TypeScript. What? I know what he's talking about. I think I know what he's talking about, because, well, it's a Twitch clip originally, and it should be still there. Also, I haven't checked out that.
Shout out.
Shout out. Whatever. See, it is originally a clip by you, Devniye. Which top 7 in total, which got exported to Instagram and YouTube because of the peel page. Don't ask me. Oh wait, no, it wasn't actually because of the peel page. I think it was because of something else. I think it was before the peel page even. Because I got peel page for downloading a clip. I just downloaded that and it counted as export. Or did I just copy the link? Sure. So this is the one, which I think is the most popular clip on the channel. Thank you, Dominic. Yeah. 9 views. Oh my god, that's so old. And I'm wearing like 2 shirts, 2 sweatshirts, because it was cold. You hate the clip. I didn't hate it ever. I hate JavaScript, I don't hate TypeScript. Just kidding. Actually, JavaScript, I mean, could have done better, but sure. I don't like JavaScript uses, the way people use JavaScript today. That's what I don't like. No, GDScript is okay-ish. Python is good. Python is actually nice. Because interpreted languages are useful. Yeah, exactly. I use JavaScript in browser daily. No. First of all, WASM. Second of all, Python. Why people didn't use Python instead? I mean, Python probably was born like a few years later. By a few years, I mean a lot later. But yeah. So yeah, shut out. No, Python. I mean, TypeScript has a better type system. That's for sure. Bearable and kinda true. So yeah, type system wise, TypeScript is good because, well, it's literally named after types. But yeah, other than that, Python is better. It's just about the ecosystem, and Python has nice stuff. So yeah, shoutout and announcement. I think get current user is broken. Actually, it might not be broken. Shout out. ecosystem of JS is garbage. I'm not gonna say bad words, except for this one. It's garbage that was supposed to be collected in garbage collector 4, which is now on Steam. So yeah, actually, it's bad. It's way bigger, but it's bad. It's garbage. It's worse. And when it's worse, it doesn't mean that it's. When it's bigger, it doesn't mean that it's better. It's worse. Anyway, let me check shout out and make sure it actually works, which I don't know if it does. Resp equals this and debug resp. What do we have here? Result. Here we go. Wait. What does matter this time? It does. It really does matter. By the way, almost 2 hours. 2 hours of streaming. Let's go. Well, yeah, Rust has I mean, that's just a meme at this point. Any language that has a package manager without moderation, without like active moderation, is gonna get that. What? Just read the description of this package. You can tell. You can tell that it is important. Too basic. ADTs with enums. These enums are too basic. Sure. I mean, this looks right, but the description. Okay. So any language without moderation is gonna get that. But Rust's ecosystem is arguably better. So arguably, it's better. It's just better. Anyway, let's see if the shutout. Well, shutout doesn't work. I know that. But let's just try again and see what their message is. From union type, set is different actually, because, well, pattern matching on union types is something 0. A result is 0. What? Yeah, more clear syntax, I guess. Something. Thanks. Send a shout out. Whatever. Test input for the director parser. Pasta. Built-in support for tag unions. View paste. That's basically Rust. If you remove the export keyword, that's just Rust, huh? And capitalize the S in string. Well, you don't even have to. But yeah, I mean, Rust synapse are tagged unions are nice. It's having I mean, Rust C is not bad. Rust C is nice-ish. Okay, no, I'm gonna say Rust C is nice, but we can make it better. Orca is gonna be better. Elm compiler. Macros, yeah. Orca is gonna be better. Anyway. So the shutout doesn't quite work. If not broadcaster, if not current user return. Print broadcaster ID, moderator ID, user ID. By the way, can anyone check for help command if it works? Well, Rust's error messages are also really good. And you can basically learn Rust by getting guidance from the compiler. Kinda. That's what Let's Get Rusty channel says. Orco cast and Ying. It's all better. I mean, they're not that bad. Come on. Okay, so where have I added the print? Huh? That's why you do print debug stuff. Here it is. Let me check if it works. Cast is most complete. True, I guess. Cast's gonna have a Oracle front end, is it? Oh, let's see. Okay, we've got random numbers concatenated together, sure. Okay, so it's 9, 9, and 9. So it's all the same. Broadcaster, moderator, and user ID. Hold on. That doesn't feel right. User ID should not be the 9 thingy. Oh, wait, no, it should. Or should it? So I'm shouting out using bot, right? Um, yeah, I'm shouting out using bot account. Oh, it's a broadcaster ID, which is not right. I don't even know where it is. Messages. I mean, I think I have used .NET before, but not quite sure about that. I mean, well, I know that I have used .NET before, but don't really remember anything about it. Current user, if not broadcaster. Okay, oh, I can pass a broadcaster here. Ah, that's so useful. Get current user. And this, with a wait, should work nicely. C++ is just black magic. Slash broadcaster should be fine, right? Let me close that. And let me do another rate. Also, let me check my to-dos on 3. Check Twitcher with 2 for issues. I'm gonna mark this as complete. Oh my god, that was a task I haven't done in a while. Had lying around for a while. I mean, not that much actually. 3, 2, 1, and... Hey? Wait. Ah, overlay was not running. Ah! Have to do it again. I'm just doing traits some understood programs would have it. Reading errors just okay, let's read again. Let's see if it works. And shutout worked. Let's go. Printing loop messages. Maybe learning moves. Yeah, we need battle system. We need a battle system. So, yeah, guys. um, should we get a leaderboard? I see Twitch has a new leaderboard, for example, for clips. Gifters, cheers, and clips now. Which Pigorly claimed. Huh. As I infer. Now tell me what you need. Same with Rust. So, should we, well, see, I was thinking about doing a new leaderboard with plushie dexes. And we all here, I mean, I have plushie dex of 1 actually, because, well, yeah, because the Ninia's plushie didn't count. We all have a plushie dex of 1 right now, and by that I mean I, Nigel, and Ninia. Leaderboard written in Elm? No. A leaderboard for chattering. So, would it be cool to have a leaderboard? Obviously, first we need a way to actually catch plushes, I guess. But yeah, and also evolution of plushes, because right now they're stuck at level 5 basically. I mean, also special defense. Shield mode is so close to point redeem button. True, but at the same time you can just make your chat wider, can't you? Oh, but that's too narrow. Didn't think you could make it that narrow. And it also updated the layout. See, JavaScript, what JavaScript does to you? It's so slow. It's so buggy. 20 pixels wide monitor. So yeah. Let's first do developer problem. I mean, kinda true. So let me add so this moves. Actually, let's just improvise. So catching is important. In a pile, we need to run the GC. Rust has none. Rust has a GC if you code that. At least it has Garbage Collector 3 and Garbage Collector 2, which are two garbage collectors. That's enough to collect everything you might want. So, let's actually get to work. I think we need evolution first. And, well, we also need moves. If I am gonna adhere to Pokemon, I need a special attack and special defense as well. Because right now we only have regular attack and regular defense. But specials are gonna make it much more fun. On the other hand, none of you are using it, so we can skip that part. So let's just go straight into catch command. Um, let's go Twitch. Oh, wait, no. Let's go Plushie. So I need health. So I'm gonna count health. Var health 1.0. Yeah, 1.0. Now I'm gonna load health plus 1. It doesn't impact lifetime. Actually, I'm gonna do health float. I'm gonna move it here as well. Now, in update process, I'm gonna count the amount of rigid body. Actually, no, I'm gonna count joints first. So in total joints on load. Start using it. Joints max int. So let's count joints. Count with me. Where is it? For each rigid body, we added joints, and that's about it. I know it's not accurate, but good enough. Good enough for this purpose. Joints max is 0. Now, close joints size. For like health scaling, it's gonna be fine. So now I'm gonna on a process do I'm not quite sure about concurrency aspect of this. So plus equals this over total joints. I'm gonna do float on that. Now if health is less than 0.01, actually, you know what? I'll do this. Floating point accuracy is gonna account for that, hopefully. Q3. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this instead, just in case. Now, so we've got health, which gets recomputed every frame. Now, let's go to catch command. So it's Plushie. We're gonna add one here. It's gonna be catch on catch. The length that never will be. Sure. Now We need a Plushie leap, I think. To the reference to the blog post he was reading. Um, okay, so where do we have the stuff? In Proto? Maybe? No. In store, right? Yeah. Here is the catch. Here is the catch. No. If chatter is null, how can this be? Oh, it chatter is the Plushie's chatter. So I'm gonna remove this check. Well, if code. I need to check for code. Yeah. If code is not null, I'm gonna return, cause yeah, it's gonna be messed up. And now, I'm gonna check health. So health should be low, about 0.1 or something. Now the proper syntax. Not really validate what is load was not. Maybe. So let's see. Let's think. With lower health, there is higher probability. So we divide by health. We divide probability by health. Rand f rand f n mean not normal. Wait, let's just do rand f regular. It's gonna be from 0 to 1. I have considered using C# and Godot, and I wanted to do that, but the setup did not work, and that is. I wanted to write chatter in C# initially, and I think it would have been nicer, to be honest. So, the lower health is, the higher this is. Let's settle for 0.1 for like 10% chance. Which means, so at 0.1, this is going to be multiplied by 10. So I need to multiply it by this amount. So if I run def, actually, 0.01 divided by health, so if health is 0.1, it's going to be 10%. And if we fall into this category, we're going to be catching that. And I guess ideally I do like Pokeballs or something. So I have Proto, viewers, a store. Can probably get using a single command. I know that I need Godot mono version, but I think I had problems with it. And I don't quite remember which. Maybe I wasn't on Nix back then. I might have been on Windows. Actually, no. I have started streaming when I was on Linux, and I actually have started streaming when I was on Nix OS. So yeah, no. Zero username. Viewer from username and create true. True. Team append code Plushie new proto name. Linux, you can get everything to run, but it won't work. And then store save. So code Plushie new store. I need store as well, right? Code Plushie Okay, I need a proto name. Okay, fine. So code's gonna be code Plushie new code name equals code proto name. Can I do this? I don't think I can do this. To not inside an expression, it's not. I can't. So I guess I'm just gonna copy proto's name. Then append code, stay safe. Okay, now you should be able to catch a plushie now with a 1% chance. Isn't that a decent chance, huh? That is a decent chance, right? Now, let me try that. Oh, also, I do not have any visual feedback on that. So I guess I should do a message catch. Oh, I also need to do names, right? It's not damaged, so you won't be able to catch it. Help catch. So actually, I might even have catch gated behind one argument, which is not gonna be using. Yeah, you must have at least one argument. Do you want markdown now? You need to destroy it like almost completely to catch it. Okay, I do need some form of plushables and Super Mario one, which actually inspired this Pokemon-ish thingy. Uh, Had cups, and you didn't do it in time. Nigel, by the way, why? Why are you using turn complete when you could have punched it using your own Rust plushie, which has 5 times the attack and same amount of defense? 5 times. Same change. Um, so store. Let me get them message stuff. Return. Just a regular trailing return. Actually, no, I do need it. Help team. Don't you remember me gifting it to you? Huh? Plushie Dex is all plushies you have ever had. So if you give the plushie away, it's still gonna stay in your Pokédex. Wait, plushie Dex, sorry. T-plushie works the same as plushie, but only takes one argument, which is the plushie name. Because plushie name can only have one argument. No. Let me add that. Twitch chat, send message. Percent %s was called by percent at percent %s bang percent code name and from username, or rather I'd use oh, actually I'm gonna do by. Okay, I'm just gonna do quote force. Yeah, I made sure that force works. Info. Okay, I need info here, else couldn't catch. Good enough. Now, punch. Punch, punch. Wait, why doesn't it punch? Okay. Maybe you need to give it a name. I don't think you need to give it a name though. Punch, which by the way has fight and attack as aliases as well. Yeah, you don't need to give it a name. They're both spawned by you. Oh, might be. Okay, hold on. I wanted to also do something about this. I guess let's try and see. But yeah, they're both spawned by you. What what did I just do? It worked. Wait. So you do plushie, you do punch, you do a few more. By the way, damage doesn't ow. Plushie scheme. You've crashed it. Oh, I think it's just Godot issue again. Oh, it starts. Soon. So yeah. All this again. Nigel, don't type a message too soon. Let it settle. So yeah, catching should work. Oh, name. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. Also overlay. Also visible workspace. So I need arcs. If name matches. Uh, uh, no, those are different crash reasons. This was a null exception, which is as Honey claims a Godot problem, because for some reason Godot was supposed to deserialize null into a JSON somehow. Um, so how do I compare names? Proto names. Proto has aliases. I need a match name function. Or I could do. So since it's a while, it's gonna definitely have a different name. I'm silent. Okay. uh, I mean, we have Lisp. I was sure I had scheme on Lisp. Schema as an alias for Lisp. I have no idea why it doesn't. No. No, it's still a perfect circle. I can't throw it over, huh? Okay, yeah, that was too bad. Fire. I wanna fix it with fire. That's how I normally fix plushie. When plushes break, I just light them on fire and they get destroyed. Also, this trail was left behind. Yeah, that's often. And I don't know why it starts happening. I've tried fixing that. I think it's just plushie got torn apart. Clone Lisp. Yeah. Now I need to check for the names. Actually, I think it's. Okay, let's do world. On Plushie. Here's how I do find and also catch. Catch has one to many, right? Var proto expected proto equals this if does not equal. We're gonna turn. Actually, why wouldn't I just inline this variable? No, you should be able to catch correctly. I mean, you could have caught plushes before, but no, it's just gated behind names. Also, what's about the debugger? That's all fine. And this, yeah, this doesn't really matter anymore. Now let's do a plushie. I'll do a plushie. Oh, by the way, ad starts. Oh, I can't snooze. Oh wait, ad is in progress. Never mind. That I can't snooze an ad which is in progress. Which makes sense. Okay, random plushie. Tech Silver versus Freedom Force Studios, huh? Punch. Ow. Sorry, myself. Need to damage it a bit. Catch. So I can catch Texel. Let's do Tex. And Texel. Where? So I can check all the stuff. And can name on. Oh, and here I need proto name. Yeah. See, I messed it up a little bit. Now this should work better. Random plushie. Conky. Who's gonna catch Conky? Oh, over. I flew over it. It's probably like terminal debug, some health stuff. Um, Catch Conky. I think that's how you spell it. You couldn't. Obviously, I couldn't. Now I need to spam it a few times. And that's actually cheating. I need to add stuff. Couldn't catch, huh? Feel like it's a little too many. Couldn't. I mean, it's actually also it's kind of still intact. It's not that damaged. Ah, couldn't disappeared. Let me print the health of it. Health. Just make sure stuff works. Imagine you just hit it during recalculation of health. Race conditions, let's go. I'm leaving that. I don't care. It's too unlikely to happen, and if it happens, sure. You earned it. It's fine. It's fine, it's right, it's right. Now, let's do Plushie. That's, I don't even remember, Pearl? No. Punch. To get rid of my cursor. No. Catch open BSD, I think it is. Or free BSD. I couldn't catch it. It's free BSD. I don't care. I'm gonna spam open BSD. It's too unlikely, huh? What health is it at? It's at a bit more than 10% of health. Okay, yeah, it's unlikely enough, but a little more than 100 messages should cheat. I think that's yeah, that's it. You couldn't catch, you couldn't catch, you couldn't catch, you couldn't catch. Yeah, I couldn't catch it. Oh, Nigel, wanna try that? They're spamming the chat completely. Try catching this. I don't know what this is. Hold on. Try catching Nano. Scheme and racket. What's racket? That looks like some KD app. It's not a KD app. It's actually like Fusion. It's like the Autodesk app, I think. Anyway, Nigel, try catching Nano. Also a Lisp. Full of Lisps, sir. Okay. All of them. Thank you. Catch. You need to damage first. Because, first of all, in order to catch, you need the name. You need the full name. Second of all, with full health, you only have 1% of chance to of catching it. Oh my god, you're destroying it. Oh, wow. You couldn't catch Nano and Nano disappeared. Now, you've got geeks. It jumped so high because I pressed Alt while alt tabbing. Now let's go from top to bottom. Did you just destroy it in one go? Huh? Okay, get fight. It might be a little too powerful. Two punches should be enough. Copy image. You don't want Python on your team? Well, you're gonna gift it to me, and Rust went out. Rust has cooled down. Imagine you could buy upgrades. By buy, I mean channel points stuff. Or like battle stuff, I don't know. You need to punch it. You don't need a plushie to catch a plushie. But you need to... but it's... See, you don't need to have a plushie to catch another plushie. But you need to damage it. Well, so damaged plushies have much higher chance of catching, obviously. Punch it disappeared completely. Let me give you another one. Micro. T-dev Chatri punch. Two punches and that's... You like micro. Two punches and it should be enough to catch. Actually, no, it's not quite enough. It's like, look, what health this is. This is 50% at least. This is 30%. Rust timed out. I mean, disappeared. You didn't even hit it. I'm gonna help you a little bit. I'm gonna help you a little bit. Don't punch it anymore because you're gonna destroy it. Completely. Okay, you didn't. That's fine. You caught it! Let's go! Let's go! First plushie caught. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now check your plushie decks on your team. I'll need evolution though. Because right now, micro that you have in the gift micro. Who are you gonna gift it to? You need to specify the person. Hey, thank you. Check your plushie decks, cause both should have two now, both of ours. Um, huh? You have one? Oh wait. Hold on, let me fix it. So first of all, I wanted to do team micro to make sure. Yeah, attack one and defense one. Now you two, Nigel and Davninia, have got special plushes with 5 of each, which is strong. So, yeah. Let me check if you might not have had Rust. Well, guess what's Davninia's plushie? Store viewer, store. Team append. Oh my god, I'm using team append. That's so bad. That's so dumb. Yes, sorry. No, it's not TypeScript. Receive. I should have called receive. It's fine. No, I'm gonna fix you. Don't worry. Um, the channel. No. Also, I know Yang exists as a plushie, and I should Davnia should probably get that, but Davnia has another. Yeah, exactly. So Nigel, plushie Dex is gonna receive well, his Rust. Oh, also, oh my god, wait, what? You didn't save, huh? I don't think it's saved. Store save. Huh? What? Goodness to Nigel, check your team, please. Look at why? You didn't even save the thing. Yeah, is this just Mark's plush index? Huh? Um, let me fix it. Also, you haven't named micro. Let me fix it from my memory. Excuse me. Nope. Oh wait. Never mind. I have micro. That's fine. Micro. Now you've got the plushie decks. I've got it in plushie decks as well. We reordered that because no reason. Oops. Restart. Now you should have it in your plushie decks, but not in the team, which makes sense. And by have it in plushie decks, I mean you can't actually tell which plushes are in your plushie decks, only the number of them. But yeah, most complete plushie decks will be rewarded. Maybe. Cannot guarantee that. Anyway. Crashed. Huh? It crashed after responding to you? That's interesting. Yeah, you can't do that. But you've got it in your plushie decks. I fixed it all fine, hopefully. Now, actually, I need to save this into downloads. So what should Habitica be? Those obviously programming languages, but Habitica not quite sure. Dream. How do we do convert plushie? I don't even remember. Let's do Habitica first. Downloads Habitica PNG. Now this should generate stuff, but I don't think I have any groups for Habitica. Open plushie itself. I think I had a list of all groups somewhere here. Yes, I do. Here are all the groups if you're interested. Browsers, games. Actually, games. I'm gonna copy from Minecraft. Habitica. Assets, plushies, Habitica, config toml. Alias. Oh yeah, I need a Habit RPG alias. Now. Group games, sure. Now we're gonna I'm gonna check Lisp first. So I don't think I have that. Although sounds familiar. List processing. Uh, okay, let me check a different language to copy stuff from. I also don't think I have that. CPP with capital P. Okay, that's way too many. Do I have something in C? No, okay, C is the perfect language in inheritance thingy. So, racket. Get C and scheme C. Now, that's all the groups. Now we've got them loaded. And now you can test them. And you've just expanded the amount of plushes you need to complete plushie decks. So complete plushie decks is actually not almost pretty much not possible at this point. $161, let's go. Plushie Habitica. Oh, I forgot to do that. Habit RPG. Racket and scheme. All of them are here. Nice. Now, I wanted to mark something. I don't remember what. So we have all. We have all of those plushes. We have plushie dexes, which are merely possible to complete. Oh, yeah. Catching conditions. That's what I wanted to update. So catch isn't plushie itself. So plushies can have stuff overridden. So some plushes may have more attack or defense. Now in catch, I'm also gonna decrease the chance by an attack. So get stats or stats with attack. So if attack is 2, I mean what SQRT square root of that. Because that's a little too strong. Now that should work nicely. Let's go to yeah, let's go to Chatri, lazy git, add all. By the way, latest Twitcher version worked flawlessly, I can say. I mean, I haven't checked subscriptions, but looks nice. Oh my god, how are you so quick? Go do GIF. Oh, get rid of that. World. Hamid, update. Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Smart contract, programming language, save image. Convert. You just want a plush index to be not completable, and Elm is not a thing. uh, Smart contract category or tag. We have categories, no tags, but plushie can be in multiple categories, so it's kind of a text. The stream is infinite at this point. I need to go prepare for bed. Come on, I want to go to bed before 10 p.m. and I still need to design a 3D printer motherboard. So what do we have? Ethereum. Right. Ethereum with capital E. Huh? Bitcoin? What? Okay, this kind of Bitcoin works. Solidity config groups languages. Hold on. So you want to make me to make smart contract. How what do you imagine it looking like? A name. Start smart contract. So let me do this. First of all, I'm gonna check C. Well, I'm gonna check Ethereum. Have I misspelled it somehow last time? So hold on, Ethereum is a language, isn't it? No? Okay, languages. Then, okay, I mean, I don't know that stuff. Groups. Mm, smart contracts with a space. I'm gonna check out Nix quickly to make sure I stay consistent. Yeah, I do. So Solidity. So I have Ethereum, Bitcoin, um, which ones should be in? Have we added all of them? That should be in smart contracts. So 3 right now. Yeah, only Solidity is Lang, but um, everyone, all others are smart contracts. Well, all of those 3 are smart contracts stuff. Terminals here. Pick smart contract. So we've got 3 there. Are you sure we don't have any more? Oh wow. Well, that's a spring. I wonder how you did it. Manipulating the internal structure. That is interesting. I know that this is on purpose. Oh, that's much better than like anything I have. Apart from what? Debian, which just fell apart. I wonder why LMAO gets censored. That's weird. Not sure. No, that's. Oh, I see. I mean, I'm not sure about the crossing here. It would have probably made more sense if you did 3 lines near each other, because that's just a cross that bends. But sure, it works, and that's all that matters. So yeah, with that, enough. We're gonna be ending. Remind me to add whatever you send next stream. Smart contract plushies push 3 commits. And I was like, what if I type reboot? Um, okay, come on. Elm. I don't actually remember what Elm looks like. Also, if Devni is not watching anymore, I might just want to Disable Dark Reader, please. Oh, this. Sure. Oh my god, accelerate. Don't mind. Okay, so yeah, Elm. And yeah. We need somebody to raid. By the way, I wonder, Nigel, can you raid as a mod? I'm pretty sure no. I think it's like editors who can do that stuff. I'm waiting for them though. The greatest clicker game ever. Oh, wait. Wait, big numbers. Can't. Makes sense. But I'm pretty sure editors can. Goodbye old Minecraft Clouds. Phoenix is still alive, which I'm never watching him. I mean, I have watched him watch Minecraft live actually. That's about it. Elf objects. So you're gonna do Elm today? Gonna be able to finish that. Should also add this to a to-do list and evolution. What if? What if? No, just kidding. Here it is. Thank you. It was like accidentally deleted. Save image. LPNG. Convert. So Elm just a language, nothing special about it. What if I just add a random plushie that's like 5 times as strong? with a lot of defense, so it's like 5 times as hard to catch. Functional. I don't think we have functional category. Oh my god, that's so much work. Those cubes. Well, now Nigel completing plushie decks is gonna be even harder, obviously. 163 plushes. I wonder when we're gonna get to 2 to the 8th power. It's gonna be nearly impossible. Punch! You're punching with the wrong plushie. Oh, HL. You're punching with the wrong plushie. Okay, let me get rid of this one. Oh, sorry, I got Rust on Fire accidentally. Put it out. Oh wait, you're not gonna be able to do it on time. Sorry. Rust burnt to death. Oh, you missed. Okay, let me do this again. Oh, wait, that's random. This game maker, game maker's dead. Elm. Here you go. Game maker died too quickly. Need more. You don't need to try. You can run catch command multiple times, especially because you're a moderator and VIP before. Rust is timeout. And out. You need to really pay attention. Oh, you've caught it. Oh my god. You're a plush attack leader now. So yeah, I need plushes to. Yay. See, you need plushes to. Uh, wait, I need. I don't need that many plushes, Nigel. Just giving everything to me. uh, you realize that this also changes plushie decks. My plushie decks. Wait, plushie decks, and since you want gift elm. Wait, is it the Devninja? Since you want Devninja to have it, I don't know if it actually worked, cause I think it didn't work, cause Devninja. Yeah, Devninja didn't chat there. So in order to give a plushie to somebody, they must have chatted within last session. So since I started the overlay, all chatters are kept in the list, and you need to chat. So you need to chat. Um, if you want to give something to them, but yeah, you give it all to of your plushes to me. I am sure. Although I am kind of concerned by the fact that you could give a plushie to me. No, I am sure that you need them to uh, be in the chat, because at least I tried to uh, gifting it to them myself. Anyway, we're gonna be ending. Nah, that would be too boring. I can give you those back, by the way. Dex means all plushes you have ever caught. Team means all plushes you have right now. You probably need it more. I constantly mess that up. Here you go. Now that's probably the most complete plushie decks. Anyway, now we're gonna be ending. Any raid suggestions? So also I'll need plushie evolutions. I mean, not quite evolutions, but just level ups. So when you defeat a plushie, by the way, 3 hours of streaming, that's insane. I didn't want to stream for that long, but sure. So I'll probably make it so when you defeat a plushie, depending on this plushie's stats, your stats might go up. That's pretty much it. Now, any suggestions? Sunlist's not streaming anymore. I guess we're gonna just raid Camino. Cause I haven't raided them in the last 30 days, which is insane. Cause back in the day, I used to have like 12 raids there in the last 30 days. So yeah. Thank you for joining. This was a nice stream. We had a lot of people come in, including Animon, including Kavino, who we're raiding right now, including QV ratings, thank you, including Dev Ninja. So yeah, and I will see you next time. Twitcher worked flawlessly. I might do a leaderboard on plushie decks and leaderboard on battles, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully it's gonna get more attention because of leaderboard. That's the only reason I'm doing it. Because people don't use plushes. Anyway. Well, you've spent your 80k for a reason, right? Anyway. Thank you for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye. This was such a long raid outro.